Cows from different areas have a different moo accent. Amazing random facts nobody knows. And the last one will amaze you. Did you know that? The US has the highest dog population in the world. France has the second highest. The London Bridge was moved from England to Lake Havasu City, Arizona in 1968 when Robert P. McCulloch bought it. Pollinators such as birds, bees, and other insects are estimated to be responsible for a third of the world's crop production. Sloths can hold their breath for up to 40 minutes, while dolphins can only hold theirs for around 10 minutes. Which fact caught your attention the most? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Only the blessed ones will like and subscribe.